Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. My name is Celeste and thank you for stopping by. So I have another journal. It's actually an old journal that I didn't finish. Got halfway through and I lost interest, to be honest. Just being honest. But I pulled it back out and I'm having another look at it and I'm putting some more things on the pages. And so I'd like you just to kind of hone in on this little guy. That's what I made yesterday, and it just filled this little sort of 2" by 2" space. It has its own little cute little tag, and I call it I don't really know, bubble pocket, half moon pocket. You guys decide, tell me what you think. So it's got its own little tag, and I've already put in one of these recycled tags that we made in the last video. So that's already a new addition, at least to this page. So I'd like to show you how I made these little guys. They're super easy and a lot of fun to make. So I'm going to move this aside. Let's get this off to the side and show you what you're going to need. So I've got some of these, I think they're called white string tags that I picked up at the dollar store. You get 30 for $1. Well, it's not a dollar store anymore, $1.25. But anyway, it's still pretty good value. There's 30 in here for $1.25, so you're going to get quite a lot out of here. So there is, you're going to need those. And then I've taken some papers that copies of collages I've done and bits and pieces, and I cut out some 2" circles. You're going to need at least, well, you're going to need 2 for each of these little projects, each of these little half moon pockets. So there's those 2 that you're going to need. One of these and 2 of those. I'm going to put a little word on. Oh, I've got feathers and stuff all over the place. My gosh. Anyway, so you're going to need a little saying as well. So I've got that. Here, let me scoot this aside and I'll show you 2 completed ones, and I'll show you a mistake I made and how you can fix it. So there's 2 of them. There is the little insert for that one, insert for this one. Let me get a little closer. There you go. Then you can see a bit better. Okay, so here are my 2. This one is great, no problem. This one I goofed on. If you notice, I don't know if you can notice how my little inset here, come across, sorry guys, so how my little inset here is clipped more that way than this way. So what I did was I went off center, and I'll show you how to fix that to avoid having your little sort of divot be centered. Okay, so I'm still going to use this. I think if you may not notice, I'll just stick it that way. Maybe it looks like it's supposed to be skew. No, sometimes you all have skew days. Anyway, so let's get started on making some. Put them aside. So first things first is aging. I'm going to age the edges just to make sure that we don't have any of the sort of white cut marks, and there's nothing on the back, it's just white paper, but that's okay because we're not going to see that once we're done. Get this all done, and then I'm going to, let's put this aside just for a second. So with these guys I put this at the bottom and that at the top. I'm going to flip it so that I have this one at the bottom because I want these little dots here. I'm going to fold it in half. I wonder if I should have folded it so that, oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in half and glue the 2 halves together. Just like this. There you go. Okay, so now here just close this glue quickly. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to fold it in half again, but I'm just going to pinch the corner here. Just pinch the corner just to kind of identify the corner, and then I'm going to take my black pen marker, whatever you have, and just make a little mark where that fold is. And now when I put this, I can only just hold on to the ends here. Now can you see where that little mark is? I'm going to try and get it into the middle, more or less, kind of, sort of like. And it doesn't seem like it's in the middle, does it? Okay, I think that's middle-ish. And clip. Okay, bring it out, and it's in the middle, so it's pretty good. I'm kind of happy with that. So now the edges that are folded and cut, mostly this side, because this is the side that I want to paste down. And I think I want this blue at the top, so I'm going to, where is my glue? Oh, I didn't put the glue upside down. Oh dear. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna have to squeeze a little bit. So I want the side at the top, so I'm going to glue a little bit of glue. Sorry guys, I've got to just, there you go, just ever so slightly on the edge, and let's paste this down. There you go, ever so slightly. I'm just going to clean up the glue here. And that's done to a degree. We just have to put it aside to dry. And now we're going to cover this little guy, and I'm going to keep it very, very simple with a napkin. Okay, I really like this napkin. I want to use this bottom piece of this peacock's tail. I just love that design. So the first thing I want to do is take this little string off. I'm just going to cut it off there. I'm going to put it back again. Just want to take it off for now, and take off the, you know, that backing, the second layer of the napkin. You want to take that off. You just want a single layer. And let's get some glue. Let's get some glue onto this little tag. And I have a tag hack for you guys, just in case you can't find these tags. I have a hack for you, so just stick around and we'll talk about that later. Get that down, a little bit of glue on here. So I'm going to let this dry because I tried to rush it and I made another one, and before the glue was dry I tried to cut it and I managed to rub it right off. So this side survived, this side I'll have to patch. So let me let this dry, come back, fussy cut it out and put the string back, and then we're done. Here they are, our 4 little beauties, all done. And I promised to show you a hack for these guys, these little tags. If you didn't have these or can't find them, tea tags will work just as well. They're smaller, obviously, but if you have a tea tag and you're able to take it off your tea bag with the string still on, you can put a sticker on the one side and maybe just paint the other side, or put a sticker on both sides, and it will also look really nice in your half moon little circle pocket. So think about those. You sometimes get those yogi teas and some of the herbal teas that actually have little sayings on the back. So you could have your sticker on the one side and your little saying on the other side, and they're always really nice, inspirational little sayings. So there is my hack that I told you about. You'll kind of skirt around if you don't have any of these, but then again you could always just cut little rectangles and put a little hole in. That could work as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you will visit us on our Facebook page and join the group and share your ideas. I love to see what everybody's up to. I always learn from you, so thank you for sharing your comments as well at the bottom of this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.